Yeah. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, guys, I'm braiding my friend's hair, so you guys should stay tuned and see how I braid it. And if you are my old subscribers, thank you for always coming back to support me. And if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, I don't know what you are waiting for. Please. Yeah. I hope I did. This is the end of the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope I did great braiding my friend's hair. And if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share, don't forget to comment, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.